Recently, I purchased a used iPhone 13 Pro. The reason why I bought it was because the battery supposedly had battery health of 100%. They showed me a picture of it. So I thought, cool. It's most important thing to me is the battery, or one of the most important things, because it's going to cost $50 to $100 to replace the battery, and then you have to open the phone, so it may affect the waterproofing and whatever. So I checked the serial number, and it looks like the phone was purchased 2 years ago. It says the coverage is expired May 2022, and it's already May 2024. What's interesting to me is, it says the battery is 100%, and I looked at the battery information for this, and it shows that the battery is about a year old already, but it shows 100% for design capacity and battery health, with 191 charge cycles. So this doesn't look like an official iPhone battery to me. Especially, it doesn't show like a manufacturer date up there. Well, that's for the iPhone itself. But anyways, so this iPhone Pro, 13 Pro, the battery was replaced after a year, and yet the battery health is still showing 100%. So the interesting thing to me is that these aftermarket batteries, I don't know, number one, if they perform better, because you can see after a year they're still 100%, or number two, are they giving false readings? I'm just trying to keep my mind open. But anyways, the whole point of the story is I purchased a used iPhone. I was hoping the battery got replaced recently, but after looking at the battery information online, I can see that the battery was placed almost a year ago, and yet it still has a battery health or design capacity of 100%. So that's interesting to me. It was recharged 190 times. So just wanted to make this short video about it. In the past, when I Googled about the iPhone 13 Pro battery, people were saying that the battery loses its health at around 1% a month. So that's why this video also kind of reaffirms that, because whoever was the owner of this iPhone 2 years ago decided to replace the battery after a year. So I think that's interesting. It kind of reaffirms the fact that the original battery on the iPhone 13 Pro doesn't perform, or it doesn't last very long. As Apple says the battery should last up to 80% after a year. And so I'm guessing the person who was using this, the battery went down below 80% after a year, and then they replaced the battery. And the aftermarket battery appears to be performing pretty decently right now. We'll see how it goes. I just got this in May. It's May 2024, so we'll see how long the battery lasts as an aftermarket battery. I'm pretty sure this is an aftermarket battery, so we'll see. Anyways, that's my short story. I don't know. I just thought I'd post it anyways.